because of the phone. One step. Okay, Sam is
The Governor of Delta, Governor of Taraba, myself, Governor of Edo, our National Vice Chairman, South is here with distinguished senators from, Deputy Governor, okay. The Deputy Governor of Edo is also here. We have distinguished senators from Edo and members of House of Reps, and the party chairman is Edo State. It's all here. And as you are aware, the National Executive Committee of our great party put us together to resolve the issues in Edo State. And successfully, by the grace of God, we have resolved all the issues and are going back to Edo State as one PDP party. No more faction, no more disagreements. And by the grace of God, we are sure that it shall be well in Edo State. Thank you very much.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.